3. Brother HL L23 Fast Laser Printing. The next laser printer that I recommend for sublimation is the Brother HL L23 laser printer. The reason to choose this is that it is quick and reliable, and it's the best choice for the home office market. It's an extraordinary choice for printing organizations to print records like multi-page archives, worksheets, bills, and more in view of its high print, most extreme speed of 27 ppm, and computerized duplex printing. The HL L23 is a great decision for little office or workspace clients on a limited financial plan. Auto duplex printing feature in this one works with the client to help in conditions for low use of paper. On account of its well-disposed size, it's ideally suited for organizations with a restricted work area, and it produces fresh, proficient, highly contrasting pages at a nature of up to 2,400 pixels for each inch. You can use it for sublimation when you want to print high-quality sheets and papers for any texture or design. This 2,600-page replacement laser toner decreases the expense per page for every user. It also has a toner save mode and N-in-1 printing, which combines a few pages onto a solitary piece of paper to save toner and paper use. It is an excellent sublimation printer with great speed and multi-connectivity options for printing. You will be happy to work with it because it supports auto duplex printing that results in great output printing text as well as graphics quality. 4. HP LaserJet M209 DWI. Optional. The last option to recommend you here is the HP LaserJet M209 DWI printer with laser printing capability. The HP M209 DWI monochrome laser printer is a generally direct machine. While succeeding sheets print all the more rapidly, the printer is still unfortunately sluggish, which is why it is the last option to list here. But there are still some good things about this one. The dark page yield and body cover of this printer are exceptionally noteworthy. It's a lovely decision for small or homework environments that essentially require producing high contrast papers. It prints a great deal for low-cost prints on each page. Because of its high paper yield and modest toner cartridge cost, it has an exceptionally minimal expense for each print. You have to know that this printer additionally utilizes veritable HP ink cartridges. The assistance of HP Instant Ink has 6 membership plans when utilized with an HP Plus Empowered printer. You might change the whole cartridge rather than the singular drum unit parts a change is required. The company will offer an Instant Ink half-year free trial that will naturally send you toner cartridges when your printer detects that they are falling short on ink. This printer lacks in some of the points, but overall it is a good choice if you can't decide on any other option. Low print costs with this printer save you huge in the long term. There are also multiple connectivity options that can allow fast and effective printing within minutes. It is suitable for small business because the speed is not as good as most complex printers, and you won't find a scanner in this one too.